would say that this decision by the FDA is reflective of our current understanding and knowledge that we have been gaining on improving safety and reducing risks of CAR-T therapy. It appears that the bridging therapy has been deemed to have contributed to the patient outcome in some way, either toxicity from the bridging itself or adequacy of bridging therapy to accomplish its purpose, which is controlling the disease enough to manage the risks of CRS, neurotoxicities, etc. post-CAR-T. Since the early days of CAR-T studies, we have now realized that certain risks, such as severity of common side effects, such as CRS, HLH, and neurotoxicity, have been related to uncontrolled disease at the time of CAR-T. One of the risk mitigating strategies, in fact, that have been implemented in some of these trials is, in fact, to optimize the bridging therapy to decrease the tumor burden and to stabilize progression of disease so that these side effects are manageable. So, for instance, if a trial clearly forbids bridging therapy or prohibits the use of agents that have a likelihood of controlling disease or is unduly restrictive, that does indeed potentially place the patient at increased risk. And if that has led to a grade 5 event, that may be grounds for a clinical hold, and the FDA can mandate a protocol amendment to rectify this before releasing the hold and allowing the study to go on. The FDA will put into effect safeguards to protect patients, such as, again, mandating careful evaluations and amendments to the protocol to avoid further mishap. The unfortunate death of the patient will impact safety data. Efficacy will be impacted when looking at progression-free survival and overall survival, as these are time-to-event outcomes, and an important parameter that investigators will use to influence the evaluation of the clinical utility of a drug as well. As long as there is a clinical hold in effect, patients that may be benefited by this product and procedure, and in fact may need this procedure, may not be able to get it. It also delays the completion of accrual and progress of the study, as necessary steps such as protocol amendments, etc., may need to be effected, and all of these regulatory requirements and approvals, such as putting the amendment through the IOB, etc., will all impact the ability of patients to be able to enroll on the study and for the study to meet its deadlines. So in this crowded landscape, losing a competitive edge for the company can result in significant losses for the company, and FDA clinical holds may fairly or unfairly affect the reputation of the drug, so as it results in nervousness, trepidation, both on the part of investigators and the participants in the study, which may cause reluctance to embrace the study and enroll on it, especially when other options are available.